Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Um, this is Akshay V. Masurekar. Uh, I'm the founder and managing partner of Samaksh Soul Waters. We are an alternative healing and a holistic health startup. Let me just give you a background of how we started, who's behind all of this, and what are we going to talk about today. So today we're going to talk about our first online event under the vertical reflection. We will talk about that. But before we get there, we would want to talk about how did Samaksh Soul Waters get formed? Who was behind all that? So it was in August 2019 that I started my firm Samaksh, focusing mainly on life coaching and executive coaching and customer experience consulting. Yes, again, that was a divinely guided venture. But in January 2020, I got a message from one of the masters, and I fondly call him as Swami Samarth, and I think many people fondly call him as Swami or Samarth. So he said, I need to get in touch with Shweta Welker, who is who owns Soul Waters, and that's how we formed Samaksh Soul Waters. And I would now let my partner and friend Shweta talk about her journey so far.
So, hi everyone. Firstly, thank you for your time here. And I'm Shweta. And Akshay has already told you how we got together. So I have been into. So let me go before I got into spirituality. I was always part of the corporate setup. I am an MBA finance, and I have been doing a normal finance job for almost 10 years. And then I got guidance, and I felt totally inclined to follow this tangential path of alternative healing. And then one thing led to another. As I did a lot of inner work, I realized that this is what I would want to do. And that's how I founded Soul Water Spirituality. Again, one thing about the name was that it wasn't me, it was guidance. So I guess that's where Akshay and I align the most. We go totally by the guidance we receive. And that's the premise based on which Samaksh Soul Waters was formed, and I'm co-founder and partner at Samaksh Soul Waters. So Akshay, why don't you tell them a little bit more about what we are all about and what's our purpose and our objective?
Yeah, thanks for introducing and talking about your journey so far. So yeah, Samaksh Soul Waters, as I said, right, it's a divinely guided venture. But what do you exactly mean by that? So we our passion, our purpose is to enable healing, transformation, and growth globally, and which is why I think we proudly call ourselves as a medium to facilitate self-awareness, transformation, and awakening. And because our focus is to help people build a very strong relationship with themselves. Because both Shweta and I and all of our partners who are associated with us, they believe in helping people build a strong relationship with themselves, because that has a deep impact on your relationships with the external world. It's only when you build a strong relationship with yourself will you be able to build relations with people around you, and focus and start walking on your path. And that's what Samaksh Soul Waters is all about. And to help people, move forward on their purpose, we've got 4 to 5 different verticals that are focusing on that. So to talk about it briefly, we've got cellular that focuses mainly on alternative healing. We've got solistic that focuses on holistic health of people. That's where so both cellular and solistic focus on the mind, body, and soul. Then we've got reflection. So reflection focuses mainly on events and workshops that allow people to build that deeper connection, with their own selves. And then you've got for the corporates, and Samaksh Soul Waters as an organization, we believe, and we would want to change the definition of corporates. for us, corporates is nothing but a group of individuals. And that's what we are focusing on. We are an organization that believes in being imperfect, and we want to encourage the world to move towards being imperfect. There are a lot of people around, who keep correcting themselves, judging themselves, correcting others. It's fine. It's fine to make mistakes, right? It's fine to be imperfect. That's okay. And that's what we learned. Our journey of self-introspection has been where the focus was on being imperfect. And the last vertical, which I wouldn't call it a vertical because it's a separate entity that I formed with another friend, but I think it's forming a part of Samut Soul Waters, and that's evolved. That focuses again on holistic workshops for a group of individuals. I hope you got what I mean by that. All right, so today I think we'll be talking about what Reflexion is all about. Let's focus on Reflexion. So maybe Shweta, you can talk about what Reflexion is all about, and maybe I can talk about the first event under Reflexion that's happening on August 28th. Yeah.
Yes, thanks, Akshay. We've seen what our verticals are all about. So Reflexion is mainly, first let me tell you what we mean by reflection. So it's reflection, but we've tweaked it because if you see the spelling, it's refle and shion, Xion in Japanese, which means I will not forget you. So that is exactly what our workshops and events under this vertical aim to achieve. They aim to facilitate that you get to learn, you get to reflect on yourself, see what you have, see what you get to know, and don't ever forget what you have learned so far. That is the main thing, and it's a forum where we want to it's not just a place where we promote spread awareness, and that's our mission, to spread awareness and bring about an awakening, but we also want to add to your growth in a way, in whatever way that we would be able to, so that you feel empowered at the end of it, that, oh, okay, this is how powerful I am, this is how gifted I am, this is who I am. That is the aim, and that is the forum that we want to provide to you via these workshops and events at Reflexion. So it's not just an event, it's not just a workshop, it's an entire space we want to give to you where it's not a one-way street, where you talk, you ask questions, and you get your answers. So that is what we aim to do. And Akshay, why don't you tell them what our first event is all about?
All right. Thank you, Shweta, for talking about what Reflexion is all about. So talking about imperfection, you may have noticed that there was some disturbance in the video, and I found myself to be a bit distracted. But I was fine. It's like it's okay to be distracted. It's okay to be going back to what you were. So this talking about the session under Reflexion, we've called it building a sense of self, which is nothing but we're talking about your self-esteem, talking about your self-worth. What do you believe about yourself? And again, I think while this was a guidance received from me, where he felt it's time for the world to focus on getting their self-esteem back. So here we are, because I remember as a child, my own self-esteem, my own belief about myself was very, very low. I always saw myself from the lens of other people, be it my parents, be it my teachers, be it my friends. I never had a mind of my own. I always went by what people wanted me to do. I would freeze when I would talk. I would not open my mouth during team meetings. And I think people have also called me indecisive. I would feel bad. I was like, okay, how can they even judge me like that? But it's only when I started working on myself, right? I think when I began my journey of self-introspection, that is when I realized that, people called me indecisive. People called me, someone who's very anxious, someone who just can't make it in life. Not their fault. I mean, it was my fault, right? I mean, it was the image that I created about myself. And that's what matters, right? It's all about the belief that you have in you. Your belief in you determines your success in life. And what is success? Success is nothing but a sense of happiness, according to me, right? I mean, money, promotion, designation, these are all materialistic things. What matters is that you have a very strong belief about yourself. You are projecting yourself in a particular way and you are enjoying what you're doing. And that's what matters. And this event focuses on how you can build a very strong relationship with yourself. Um, how do you awaken your self-esteem? Um, how does food or nutrition play a strong role in building your self-esteem, in building you as a person? And finally, we talk about all the decisions and the choices that we make in life that also determine our ability, to believe in ourselves. So this is what we had to say today. And if you connected to any of the things that we spoke about today, if you feel that you want to change the way you're thinking about yourself, then why don't you just go ahead and register yourself for this online event that's happening on August 28th from I believe it's 2 o'clock, right, Shweta? It's starting from 2. And it's a 4.5 hour workshop. Our advisors and our co-partners um, have been working on collating their knowledge so that they can pass it on to you, which will in turn help you build a very strong relationship with yourself and find the real person that's probably hidden deep within you. And I think that's what I kind of did when I realized who I was. Again, I think based on divine guidance, I decided to walk on a path that I now enjoy the most. So we look forward to having all of you at the event, and yeah, all the very best. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I just want to say that with great pleasure and excitement, I would like to invite all of you to participate in this space, because this is an opportunity where you can actually, as Akshay said, rediscover yourself, see how close you are to yourself, and if not, then get close to yourself. And that is what we aim to do, be you unapologetically, and that's what we want to facilitate. So if this really guides you to or intrigues you and makes you want to be a part of it, we look forward to having you over. The details are in the description. Please register yourselves and own your power. Do this for yourself.
Yeah, I liked it.
Thanks, guys.
Own
Thank
your
you
power.
for your time. Yeah.
Thank you, guys, and we look forward to having you at the event. Thank you.